1983, we started our journey in Western New York as the first manufacturer of thermal transfer ribbons in America. Our current Amherst, New York campus encompasses 350,000 square feet and 3 sites. Project 3 Now 2, or Project TNT, was launched in the fall of 2020. The mission is to transform ARMOR-IIMAK's facility into a 21st century organization, leveraging world-class processes and production workflows while reducing operational expenses and providing an environment that will excite customers, investors, and our employees. Our first step in this project is to reconfigure the existing slitting floor. This entailed demolition of the auditorium, removal of 4 pieces of old equipment which freed up 4,600 square feet on the slitting floor, the new layout that will allow room for a packing cell and new box making equipment. This will allow for ribbons to be packed at the slitting machine. Packing ribbons in boxes rather than bins creates denser storage, which reduces the amount of storage needed by 50%. Boxed ribbons will now flow out to the finished goods warehouse, not loaded on a truck and driven almost a mile to North Point for distribution. This eliminates 6 touch points from when a ribbon leaves the slitting machine to its shipping out the door to a customer. As this process was taking place, we began to set up 401 Creekside to house our raw materials and jumbo shipping operation. This will centralize all raw materials instead of the 2 warehouse areas in Plant 1 and Plant 2. New racking was purchased and installed along with the wire for the guided forklift. The new man-up forklifts will be installed in all 3 warehouses and are significantly faster and safer when moving materials on and off the racks. ARMOR-IIMAK is the first company in Western New York to have these state-of-the-art forklifts. After raw materials are moved from Plant 2, jumbos will move into this area. The crane in the ASC will be dismantled and the mobile aisle racking will be torn down. Replacing these 2 areas will be our new finished goods warehouse and shipping operations. In addition to the wire-guided forklift, we will have a wired guided picker, and we will be installing a vertical lift module for handling overrun ribbons. This module will be used to store overrun ribbons in a dense and automated retrieval system, rather than storing in bins and shelving, which can be difficult to manage and unsafe to store and retrieve. Another piece of the TNT project is packing export jumbos at the coating machines. This will be a more efficient process and will eliminate the 1.5 football fields travel to move jumbos between Plant 2 and Plant 1, as well as wasting time and resources storing jumbos that will be shipping out the door. It will eliminate a minimum of 4 touch points in handling export jumbos. Simultaneous moves will take place in the Quality and R&D department. The quality technicians will move into our existing print lab. Our print lab will move upstairs with the R&D labs to create a state-of-the-art technical facility that will showcase our products to all. Project TNT is a major investment by ARMOR-IIMAK to revolutionize many aspects of operations. Let's take a minute to review the improvements from this $2.5 million investment in equipment and layout changes to the production and distribution facilities and over $200,000 in print lab renovations. TNT will result in the North Point team being on the same campus as the rest of the Amherst employees. As part of TNT, we will be introducing new equipment and upgrading the working environments with new lighting, paint, improved flow, and better workplace organization. Project TNT will also combine R&D and the print lab in a new world-class customer experience center. The project will eliminate extra steps in the handling of ribbons between slitting, packing, and shipment of ribbon. TNT will reduce the movement of jumbos between Plant 1 and Plant 2. It will eliminate the outdated crane, place jumbo packing next to the storage area, and pack export jumbos as they come off the coating machine. With so many changes happening, now is the time to remind everyone of the areas that are staying the same. Fluid inks, TTR ink, and the majority of our systems and procedures will not change as part of Project TNT. All of these exciting changes will be taking place throughout 2021 with our completion date of August 2021. In closing, the success of Project TNT is due to our dedicated team members who took on this project in addition to their normal daily duties. Our thanks to everyone involved in making Project TNT a reality.